everything. I try to call your phone.
Hey guys, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, guys, I am ready to show you my update in my former living room, okay? Because I got something new. The work is new and I have new decor from Z Gallery and Home Goods. So I just want to share with you, okay? So if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget before you leave to subscribe because I always upload a new video, okay? If you are new to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon for every time I upload a new video. And if you already subscribed, thank you very much. That's meant a lot to me. As a further ado, let's get started.
Tell me how to be closer to you. Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. Cause I just wanna make you feel the way I do about you. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I'm free.
I've tried everything. I try to call your phone several times, but you leave me with that busy tone. To be alone, it has right through my bones. I can't believe, girl, that you left, that you're gone. I've tried to drink you, girl, away, but it seems like in my head you say, why couldn't we keep it? your side and I feel your cologne. I miss you so, girl, I would like to know if you find somebody new, tell me how much chance it's blown. I tried to drink you, girl, away. But it seems like in my head you say, oh, but couldn't we keep that? Oh, like forever. Oh, 'cause you were my deepest. Oh, never ever. But couldn't we keep that? Like forever. 'Cause you were my deepest, baby. Never ever. It brings me down, I fall apart. Every minute that I'm without you, I cannot breathe. I can't believe that you leave me. But couldn't we keep that? Oh, not forever. 'Cause you were my deepest, never ever. But couldn't we keep that? Keep that, baby, forever. 'Cause you were my deepest,
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me